Hey, Tim, let's go mess with this kid with rabies. Put him in the freaking bathroom. Dude, I'll open it. Oh, fuck. Dude, poke him. I dare to poke him again. Oh, fuck. The fuck? Oh my god. Splash him with some water, dude. It calms him down. Calms him down. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, man. I know
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fucking oh my god.
Holy shit, man. What the fuck happened?
Dude. Oh my god. Holy fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, what the fuck?
Oh my god. Okay, I think he's calm. Okay.
Get the fuck out of here.
He's good. Alright guys, I think he's calm now. Okay.
He's dead. I think he died.
Okay.
He's
Well.
dead.